2-hour drive from our house to the camp. Hey guys, we arrived here at Prineville Campground. Right here, it says parking for deluxe cabin customers only. We have our cabins over there. They're so cool. It's so windy right now. It's like blowing us. Guys, check out this lake over there. It's so pretty. You could even fish in it. That's so cool. I love it. This is like the best camp I've ever been to.
You guys, this is the cabin that we'll stay in. Let's go and check it out. It's facing this awesome giant lake. Let's go.
I can't believe I stay here, guys. This is the best camping!
Let's check out what we have in the cabin.
Yep.
Let's go in.
Hi, Melody.
So this is the top bunk and this is the bottom bunk. And yes, I'll be sleeping up here and Melody and Rebecca are sleeping down here.
Yep.
The bathroom's in there. It has like everything that we need.
Yeah.
I like this bed, guys, and I'm so excited. Do you like camping? We are going somewhere, but it's a secret.
Hey Rebecca, come take a look. Look, this is the view from our cabin. It's just huge. The lake is so big. Guys, look, we have a grill for barbecue right here. That's so cool. And it's even next to the lake. I love the view right here. It's beautiful.
Here's the table for the barbecue.
These are the chairs that our family hangs out on. This is my dad's, mom's, me, Rebecca's, and this cute one is Melody's.
That pink one is mine.
Look, there's a duck. It's a black and white duck. Does it look like a duck to you? It's right there, I see it.
Look, we found a squirrel, guys. Oh, it's so cute. This is Melody saying hi to the squirrel. Melody's friends are coming to visit. Hi, Jason.
Now we're gonna go meet our friends who are also camping with us, guys.
Okay, let's go find them.
Hi! We're gonna go hiking.
Yep. Wait, the hiking trail's this way.
Yeah, it's over here. So we were about to go into the bushes, but then we heard that there were rattlesnakes in the bushes, so we just went on the hiking trail. From here, we could see our car and our cabin. See, guys? Look. This is so exhausting. We're still taking the hike. We're going uphill right now.
We should do this every morning.
Hey guys, look, I found something that looks like a cave. It looks so cool. I want to go inside, but I can't. We made it to the top.
Yeah.
Hi, you're so tired.
She's so tired. Look how dead she is.
I'm exhausted. So we're on top of the mountain. Look, see the view of the lake back there. So beautiful.
Found a giant rock. We found a hole. Hi.
We are walking on some giant fat logs. It's time for lunch, guys.
Hey, I'm so hungry.
Me too, I'm so hungry. Bang bang. Yummy in my tummy.
Hey guys, me and Rebecca are about to ride our bikes down to the lake.
Yep.
Let's go. Red dirt over on this side. Here's some red over here. Oh, there's more red over here. We found a skeleton of a fish. It was so cool.
Where is it?
Look, here it is. Look at that.
You guys, look, I found shells.
I'm scared. Guys, there's squirrels in these caves. They're in there somewhere. We just saw them. They went over here.
Look how cute that is. It went.
It's eating the popcorn. I think he likes us. Come on, eat some.
That's what I'm scared of.
Is it eating it?
Oh, it's so cute. It's dancing. There's another squirrel.
Drop it.
Yeah.
We are visiting Melody's cabin.
So those were some highlights from our camping trip at Prineville Reservoir. My favorite part was the squirrels, like definitely. It was so cool. Guys, make sure to subscribe and like to keep up with our channel. See you guys next time. Bye!